So I just created an avatar on Movie Star Planet. As you can see, the color of my skin is black, and today we're going to be asking people on Movie Star Planet for greets, money, and advice in order to get money to change the color of my skin. And I am going to record how they react. The password will be in the description or maybe in the comments section. Okay. Shh, I'm recording. So as you can see, I am updating my status, my status, however you pronounce it. Please donate to, okay. Can someone give me a greet, please? I need to change the color of my avatar. Whoa, okay. Change the. Whoa, she left. Let's see what she has to say. Work for it yourself. Okay, she says I should work for it myself. But I don't know how
to make money on MSP. I really wanna change my avatar's color. Okay, so she wants to hack me. My lord. Thank you. Thank you. Be right back, guys. Can someone give me some advice on how to make to get star coins on MXP? I hate the color of my avatar. I need to change it. Well, this video is getting too long, so I'm going to end it here. Wait, I'm just checking to see if anyone will reply to this. Well, it seems like it's a no. Okay, so this will be part 1. There will be a part 2